ladies and gentlemen.
So let's talk weighted averages. We've talked before about the arithmetic average, or the mean, where we add up all of the numbers and divide by the number of numbers, but sometimes some numbers have a little bit more significance. You can think of it as these numbers get repeated more often in the data set. So let's dive into problems and see what I'm talking about. Question 1. Susan drove 30 miles per hour for 1 hour and then 50 miles per hour for the next 3 hours. What was her average speed over the entire 4 hours? So we can see that we drove 30 miles per hour for 1 hour. So 30 times 1 plus. Then we did 50 miles per hour times 3. And then this entire trip took 4 hours. You can think of this as adding 30 with 3 50s. That is essentially what it is. But this way of setting it up makes it so we don't have to write an obscene number of numbers, especially when we start talking about a large data set instead of just 4 numbers. So here we have 150 plus 30, that is 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 90 divided by 2 would be 45, and our unit would be miles per hour. There we go. Our last question. John averages 2 errors per page for his first 10 pages of his research paper and then 3 errors per page in the last 5. What was the average number of errors per page in the entire term paper? So this is where I'm talking about we have a lot of numbers to work with. We have 15 numbers to work with because we have 15 pages. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and put that down here. 15. Where did I get that from? First 10 pages, last 5, 10 plus 5, 15. We had 2 errors in the first 10, so 2 times 10, plus 3 errors in the last 5, 3 times 5. 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 5 is 15. 20 plus 15 is 35. Now this is reducible. Both of the units digits are 5, so this is definitely divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 would be a 7, and then 15 divided by 5 would be a 3. So 7/3 is an acceptable answer, or we can write this as its decimal equivalent, which would be 2 3s and 2 whole 3s and a third. So 2.3 repeating, and the units would be errors per page. Errors per page. And that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.